Men over 50, please listen closely because what I'm about to share could be the difference between continued decline and a revitalized life. If you've been using baking soda by itself to improve your blood flow, boost your stamina, or help with those nightly bathroom trips, I have an urgent warning. Stop and hear this. Using baking soda alone could be the very reason you're not seeing any change. I'm Dr. Katherine Rotker, a urologist who's been helping men with prostate health and sexual health for over 15 years. Before we go any further, if you're serious about improving your prostate health, your vitality, and living with confidence instead of fear, please hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. I share real science-backed guidance for men just like you, and I don't want you missing out on any of it, and I want to hear from you. If this speaks to you, type "I'm in the comments and tell me which country or city you're watching from. If you're unsure, type "maybe." I'm always listening and will tailor future videos to what you need. I see men in my clinic every day who used to walk tall with pride, now shuffling in with their eyes down. Men who once felt unstoppable now lie awake at 3 a.m., sometimes because they had to get up yet again to use the bathroom, and sometimes because they're staring at the ceiling wondering what happened to their body. There's a silent panic that creeps in when every intimate moment starts to feel uncertain. You start to fear that maybe your best years are behind you, that feeling strong and free from constant bathroom trips is a thing of the past. You worry the spark of desire might not matter anymore because your body cannot ignite it like it used to. You sense your vitality, that confidence that defined who you are, fading with each difficult night. What many don't know is this: the solution doesn't have to be complicated. It may already be sitting in your kitchen in 2 simple ingredients that work far better together than they ever could alone. Today, I'll show you exactly what they are, how they work together, and the right way to use them. After 50, your body starts shifting in ways that quietly work against you. Your internal chemistry becomes more acidic over time. Cells hold on to waste instead of clearing it like they used to. That slow acid buildup affects your blood vessels, your energy, and yes, even your urinary function and sexual function. Now, let me tell you about a molecule called nitric oxide. Think of it as your body's own signal to open up your blood vessels. When nitric oxide works well, blood flows freely. But without it, even a healthy heart and strong desire cannot get blood where it needs to go. It's like having a garden hose with a kink in it. Water pressure is there, but the flow never reaches the plant. So, back to acidity. That acidity acts like static on a radio signal. It drowns out nitric oxide before the message can get through. The conditions simply won't let your vessels relax and widen. You might have all the desire in the world, but your body cannot deliver. That's why good blood flow matters for your prostate and for everything else. Your body needs the right environment, or nothing works the way it should. Baking soda neutralizes acid in your body. Think of it as sweeping the floor so nitric oxide has a clean place to work. When the acidity drops, your blood vessels can relax a little easier. That's why some men, when they first start taking baking soda, notice subtle changes. Your hands might feel warmer. You might wake up with a bit more energy. For some, mornings feel a little firmer than they have in a while. But here's the catch. Baking soda doesn't actually help your body make more nitric oxide. It doesn't shield that nitric oxide from getting destroyed by oxidative stress, those tiny corrosive particles floating around. Baking soda sets the stage but never delivers the main performance. It moves you in the right direction, yet it won't by itself spark the significant improvements in blood flow, stamina, or prostate comfort that you're looking for. I remember one patient in his early 70s who tried so hard to make baking soda work. He stirred a teaspoon into water every day for months. He told me his digestion improved a bit and his walks felt easier, but the main issues never budged. His erections stayed weak. He kept waking up multiple times a night to use the bathroom. When he came to see me, defeat was written all over his face. He said he was ready to give up on the whole baking soda idea. I told him he had been doing half the work. He handled the acidity, but that was only one piece of the puzzle. He needed the other half. I mentioned a second ingredient so ordinary he laughed. But he agreed to try it. So what's this mysterious second ingredient? It's citric acid. Yes, the same tangy powder you might use for canning fruit or making fizzy candies. When I first tell patients, I often see doubt flicker across their faces. How can something so ordinary matter for their health? But it's not the citric acid alone that works the magic. When you mix citric acid with baking soda and water, something happens. The mixture starts bubbling and fizzing. Most people see foam and think nothing of it, but beneath those bubbles, a chemical reaction forms a completely new compound called sodium citrate. That's the real player here. Baking soda and citric acid are like two keys. Separately, they're simple kitchen items. Together, they unlock a powerful mechanism your blood vessels have been waiting for. The first major benefit starts at the lining of your blood vessels. That inner lining is made of cells called endothelial cells. These cells produce nitric oxide, the signal that tells your vessels to open up and let blood flow. As we move through life, those cells come under attack from something called oxidative stress. Think of it as tiny particles floating around that damage your cells and destroy nitric oxide before it can do its job. Sodium citrate acts like a shield. It steps in to protect your endothelial cells and the nitric oxide they make. Research shows citrate helps neutralize those damaging particles, giving your blood vessels a fighting chance to work the way they should. The second benefit involves your red blood cells, the ones carrying oxygen to every part of your body. When you were younger, those cells bent and squeezed easily through tiny vessels. Now they've become stiff and sticky. Sodium citrate helps restore that flexibility, letting oxygen reach places it has been missing. The third benefit goes deeper. Inside your cells are tiny power plants called mitochondria. They run on a process called the citric acid cycle, which creates ATP, your body's energy fuel. Sodium citrate feeds directly into this cycle. Your cells get a boost in energy production. Together, these mechanisms mean better oxygen delivery and more staying power. Your body simply doesn't fade as quickly. I instructed that patient, the one using baking soda for months with little to show for it, to try the full combination with citric acid. He followed my directions exactly. The very next day he called me and I could hear the excitement in his voice. He said about 20 minutes after drinking it, he felt a gentle warmth spreading through his body. A calm sense of relaxation followed. By the time he was ready to be with his wife, something shifted. His body responded naturally and fully. For the first time in years, he felt no fear, no hesitation. He told me it was like turning the clock back. Biochemistry working exactly as it should. All right, you've got the two ingredients. But now I must tell you, timing is everything when using this method. I've seen men try this once or twice at the wrong time and conclude, this doesn't work. I don't want that to happen to you. Your body isn't a light switch you can flick on in an instant. It needs time to respond, like an engine warming up. When you drink the mixture, a sequence of events begins inside you. In the first 10 to 15 minutes, your blood pH shifts from slightly acidic toward a healthier alkaline balance. Around 20 minutes, you might notice the first subtle signs, a gentle warmth or a sense of relaxation. Between 30 and 45 minutes, things really get going. Your red blood cells become more flexible and your energy production picks up. Then comes what I call the readiness window, 45 to 60 minutes after drinking. This is when most men reach peak effect. The benefits hold strong for about 60 to 90 minutes total. I had a patient, 69 years old, who heard about this combination from a friend. He mixed it up and drank it right before bed, expecting an immediate miracle. When nothing changed, he went to sleep discouraged, convinced it was just another internet myth. He came to me frustrated, saying it didn't work. I asked him how long he waited. 10 minutes, he said. I explained the timeline and told him he had not given his body a fair chance. The next week, he followed my timing instructions. He drank the mixture, then relaxed with his wife for about 45 minutes before they were intimate. This time, his body responded beautifully. The grin on his face when he told me said it all. He said he couldn't believe it. All that time, his body just needed a little time to wake up. Do not let impatience rob you of results. Use the timing to your advantage. Now let's get to the practical part. How to actually prepare and use this mixture correctly. Precision matters here. The right ratio is 2 parts baking soda to 1 part citric acid. A simple starting point is half a teaspoon of baking soda with a 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. That's roughly 3 grams of baking soda and 1.5 grams of citric acid. Pour 8 to 12 ounces of water into a glass. Add both powders and watch them fizz. That fizzing is the reaction forming sodium citrate. Let it settle for about 20 seconds. Give it a gentle stir and drink it. Take this on an empty stomach at least 2 hours after a meal and time it about 45 to 60 minutes before you want your circulation at its best. Start with this amount. You can adjust slightly after a few tries, but don't go overboard. For most men, using this 3 times a week works well. Before you start, let's talk safety. For most healthy men, this mixture is gentle and safe, but there are a few things to consider. Baking soda contains sodium. If you have high blood pressure that's not well controlled, talk to your doctor first. The same goes for kidney issues or if you take certain medications. A small number of people notice mild stomach gas. When in doubt, ask your physician. One of my patients, a sharp 73-year-old with well-controlled high blood pressure, he worried about the sodium, so he checked with his cardiologist. The cardiologist gave him the green light to try it. Over 6 months, his erectile function improved significantly, but something else happened. He had suffered from cold hands and feet for 15 years. For the first time in recent memory, his feet were warm at night. His doctor noticed his vascular health markers had improved too. This story shows that when you improve blood flow, the benefits reach your whole body from head to toe. By now, you know this combination helps with bedroom performance and prostate comfort. But let us zoom out and look at the bigger picture. When you consistently give your body this kind of circulatory boost, the benefits ripple out into nearly every area of your life. You may notice steadier energy all day long. That afternoon slump that used to knock you out starts to fade. Mental clarity sharpens because your brain receives better oxygen delivery. Sleep often improves too. Those frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom become less of a burden, so you wake feeling more rested. Cold hands and feet finally warm up as microcirculation reaches places it hasn't reached in years. Physical stamina climbs, making everyday tasks like carrying groceries or climbing stairs feel easier. Even your heart and blood vessels benefit from the reduced strain and better flexibility. We've talked a lot about the physical side, but now I want to address something just as important. The emotional weight men carry when their bodies start betraying them. I sit across from men every day who can barely make eye contact. They tell me things like they feel like they're letting their wives down. They say they don't feel like themselves anymore. The shame, the fear, the quiet sense of failure, it all sits heavy on their hearts. If any of that resonates with you, hear me clearly. Your struggle is not a character flaw. It's a health issue, a matter of biology, not morality. And when you start restoring your physical health, confidence creeps back in. Trust returns. Men who used to avoid intimacy start initiating affection again. The tension and distance that quietly grew in their relationships begin to melt away. Let me share one more story, perhaps the most touching one. A husband, 68, was so afraid of failing that he stayed up late every night until his wife fell asleep. He sat in a separate chair during movies. His wife thought he no longer loved her. In truth, he loved her so much that his shame kept him away. I taught him the baking soda and citric acid regimen. About 6 weeks later, he came to my office with his wife. She spoke first. She thanked me for giving her husband back. He told me the first time it worked. They both cried and held each other afterwards. The goal here isn't just better circulation. It's to lift that heavy burden from your heart. You deserve to wake up without that pit in your stomach. You deserve to feel like your real self with all your warmth and vitality and to share that freely with the people you love. That's the bigger picture. By now you might be wondering if this is so effective and uses such simple ingredients. Why haven't you heard about it before? The unfortunate reality is that most men never hear about this kind of remedy, or they stumble on it only after years of suffering. The reason is simple. This solution is unpatentable. No pharmaceutical company can put a patent on a combination of kitchen ingredients. There's no billion-dollar ad campaign. Our medical system focuses on prescriptions, not kitchen chemistry. It upsets me that so many men suffer in silence, chasing expensive cure-alls when the core issue can be addressed with a simple, natural intervention. But nobody told them. Consider a man I worked with, 72 years old. He had been on what I call the supplement treadmill for years. He tried everything under the sun. He told me he spent over $5,000 on various supplements and devices in roughly 2 years. When he came to me, he was deflated and angry. I introduced the combination. Within a few weeks, his nighttime bathroom trips were cut in half. His intimate performance went from zero to a huge victory after years of near nothing. He said he had a couple of buddies in the same boat and couldn't, in good conscience, keep this to himself. Right now, you're at a fork in the road. You can shrug off this information and continue on the path you were on. Or you can take this incredibly accessible solution, walk into your kitchen, and start giving your body what it needs to thrive. The science is real. The stories I shared are real. Think about what's at stake. It's about your confidence, your independence, your joy in daily living. Your body isn't broken. It's simply been missing the right conditions to perform at its best. I want to set a friendly challenge for you. I call it the 7-week commitment. Use the protocol regularly for the next 7 weeks. Pay attention to the changes. Grab a notebook and log how many times you wake at night to urinate. Rate your daily energy and your mood. Notice your performance. By tracking these, you'll have tangible proof of change. I ask you to commit to 7 weeks because consistency is key. Regular use reinforces new, healthier patterns. I firmly believe that if you embark on this 7-week challenge, you'll be sending me a message saying you can't believe how far you have come in 2 months. Aging isn't the enemy we often make it out to be. The real enemy is surrender, the belief that decline is inevitable and you just have to sit back and accept it. I'm here to tell you that you have far more control over your health and vitality than you might think. Your body is a resilient system. It can rebound when given the right support. In the story of your life, you're not at the epilogue unless you decide to be. Remember what we covered? You're not broken. You're not lacking in willpower or character. This is often just a matter of chemistry and timing, and chemistry can be changed. This isn't a magic potion. It's a catalyst that helps your body do what it naturally wants to do: circulate blood, generate energy, sustain life. When you regain your circulation and energy, the shift goes beyond the physical. There's a shift from thinking your best times are behind you to knowing you still have great times ahead. You're not done yet. I often use a simple metaphor with my patients. Think of yourself as a classic car. A few dents, plenty of miles, but with a good tune-up and the right fuel, that classic car can still turn heads and run like a dream. You, my friend, are a classic. If you've made it this far, I want to congratulate you for investing in yourself. And if this video helped you, hit the like button. Share it with a friend, a brother, a father, any man you suspect might be struggling in silence. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment below. Maybe share that you're accepting the 7-week challenge, or simply say, I'm going to try this. Above all, remember, you're not alone on this journey. You're not finished. Some of your best years can absolutely still be ahead of you. I'm Dr. Katherine Rotker, and it has been my honor to guide you. Stay strong, stay proactive, and take good care of yourself.